Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Surbhi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to uplift your eyes. You can call it Foxy-eye makeup too, which is being carried by many celebrities these days and it's trending. So first I'm hydrating my skin with my favorite Milagro beauty oil. I'm gently massaging it on all over my face. Then I'm taking Dr. Tape, sticking it first on the back of my hand, picking it up and applying from end of my eyelid to eyebrow for giving my eyeshadow more defined shape. Now I'm creating base for eyeshadow from concealer. You can use any concealer of lighter color so that colors will pop out more nicely. Apply concealer on all over your lid space and blend it nicely. For this look, eyebrow should be in upward outward direction, but as you can see, I have pretty prominent arch, so I'll have to make my brows look more straighter than they are. So first, I'm using spoolie to brush my brow hair upwards, then I'm using angular brush to shape my brows. Now, for making them look more straight and upward, I'm going to cut short the length of my brows. I mark the endpoint where I want my brow to stop. Yes, there is little bit of hair underneath, but no worries, we'll cover them with the help of concealer. Then I'm shaping the upper border of my brows and matching it to the marked endpoint. Now I'm using precise angular brush to fill my sparse areas. Doing the same for the other brow too. Next, I'm using angular brush and concealer to cover those extra brow hair and defining the whole eyebrow. And as you can see, my eyebrow is looking more outward and upward now. Doing same for the other eyebrow too. The eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette because this has good combination of neutral and brown colors. You can use any palette having good combination of neutral and brown colors. For brush, I'm using PAC 126 brush. It's a small bending brush. From palette, I'm taking first a lighter shade of brown, dunking my brush in the color and starting from the very outer corner of my eye, dragging it outwards, then bringing it up to the center of my lash line. Repeating the same process till the color is visible. Then with the help of pencil brush, I'm taking deep brown color, dunking my brush into the color and dusting the axis. Again applying it from the outer corner of my eyes to upward direction and bringing it down to center of my eyelash. Repeating the same process and smudging the eyeshadow with the previous color. Repeating the same process for the other eye too. Then I'm using black color and with the precise pencil brush and repeating the same process. But this time I'm going to keep it lower than how far I pushed the previous eyeshadow. I'm blending this black eyeshadow with the upper brown color. But we do need to drag it more upward. Now take off the tape. We can see that with the help of the tape we have got those straight edges and elongated eye look. Then I'm using Maybelline gel eyeliner with a liner brush and applying it in the inner corner of my eyes. Applying white kajal on my waterline. Now I'm correcting my pigmented areas with the help of Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm using shade Caramel, applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, side of my nose and my forehead. Blending it till all my pigmented areas are concealed. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I'm mixing two shades for making perfect shade according to my complexion. Applying it all over my face and blending it religiously. Blend till your foundation looks like your skin. Then matching my neck with my face from the same foundation which we used for the face. For uplifting my face, I'm highlighting with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, applying it on the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, around my mouth and forehead. For contouring, I'm using Kat Von D Shade Light Contour Palette. This time, I'm cutting my cheekbone in upward direction, making a slant line and blending it with my foundation. This type of contouring will uplift my face more. Cutting my jawline too. Then I'm locking my base with Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade medium. I'm taking powder on my beauty blender and applying under my eyes below the contouring of cheekbones and patting rest my face. Then I'm using precise smudger brush. I'm taking deeper brown color and smudging it underneath my waterline, matching it to the lash line shadow going in upward direction. Dusting off the excess powder we have applied underneath our eyes and cheekbones. Time for blush. For this, I'm using Nykaa blusher palette, blending my blush with my contour. For lashes, I'm using the one which are slightly heavier and longer from outward side. Next, for lipstick, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, selecting the nude color and applying it on my lips. Fixing my makeup with Makeup Studio Depre Fixer. And finishing my look with the highlighter. For highlighter, I'm using my favorite Forever 52 highlighter palette. Applying it first on the bridge of the nose, on cheekbones. And this is how we have completed our look. I hope you enjoy the look. Thank you for watching.